million books sold last year, 250 of them sold more than 100,000 copies. Right? So that's another example of high risk, high return. So probably you won't write a book. If you write a book, probably no one will publish it. If you publish it, almost certainly no one will buy it. So you see what I mean? There's exclusion. The exclusion criteria there are so thoroughly, they're so difficult because it's very difficult to write a book, even a bad one. You have to work a long time to write a bad book, and then your book has to be pretty damn good before you're going to get it published. And you also have to know how to go about getting it published. That's also, you don't send a book to a publisher, by the way. They don't want your stupid book. They want a summary of the book. They want an outline of the book. They want 3 chapters of the book. They want to know who the hell you are and why anyone should listen to you. They want to know what other books your book is like, and most importantly, perhaps, they want to know where it would sit in a bookshelf in a bookstore. And the reason for that is that, and I have trouble, this is trouble with the books that I write, is no one knows where to put them. That's a big problem because then the marketing people don't know how to market them. And maybe that's because they're more creative than usual. It doesn't matter. If there isn't a place that you can put the book where people can find it, then you're not going to publish it, and even if you do, you can't sell it because no one can find it. So you just think about the difficulties in being a successful author. You're not going to write a book. It's too hard. There's no damn way you're going to get it published, and if you do, it probably won't be a very good publisher. Then they have to do a really good job of selling it and marketing it. Then you have to enter the market at the right time, right? And then you have to be reviewed by the right people, and then it has to be put in the right places. It's like what happens is your book will go out for a week, no one will buy it, and it'll disappear. And that's if you've done 99.99% of things right.